Hello, this is Ty. This is some of the code for my final project. Originally, me and Omar were planning to do the game Red Light, Greenlight, but he was gone and we weren't able to combine our code together. So this is my section. The define statements, like these two, are for they return true or false when the button is pressed, and it can be used if to keep the character moving on the screen, but that requires the Pi game, which we do not have. And the bottom statements is for turning on the green light, red light situation. So if someone his code would say green light, and then it would turn on the green light, and then you'd go and press the button while the green light would be going. And then again with the red light, it would turn on the red light and you have to stop it. And so this is just an example of how the light works. So I'm gonna run the code, and it as you can see, it turns on the green light and then it turns it off. And unfortunately, Omar was sick the day of the project, so we weren't able to combine our code together in order to make it work. But we are planning on finishing it soon. So yeah, that's my code.